Welcome back friends, this is the fourth tutorial of the series. In this video, we will do the coding to make the sprite bigger and to change the color effect of the sprite whenever you touch the sprite. Okay, so let's get started. First, we will click on the looks block category just below the motion block. From looks block palette, we will drag and drop, change size by 10 and change color effects by 25. We will join these two blocks together. I will edit the values simply by clicking on that. In place of 10, I'll write 5. And change color effects by, in place of 25, here also I write 5. Now I'll go to events block category. From here I drag and drop when this sprite clicked. I told you this is a hat block which always appear on the top of your code. So just add it on the top of your code. Your program is ready. Okay, so whenever you click the sprite, its size will increase by 5 points and its color will change by 5 points. So let me execute or run this code. Can you see the output? The size is gradually increasing and its color effect is also changing by 5 points. So this is very fun, learning and interesting coding programming where you can learn these different kinds of programming. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you do like my videos, kindly subscribe to my channel and share among your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.